Here's how you can give your projects a makeover and create professional looking panel in just a few minutes. Just look at the difference here, and it's made to a friend's project. The front's splash proof and easily wiped clean. The OLED displays safely behind the panel window and it's protected against scratches and spillage. You'll need a laminator, a sharp knife and scissors. I used Inkscape to create the artwork and printed it on a monochrome laser printer. If you want colour and don't have a colour printer, you can add a splash of colour by hand. As the programmer uses an OLED screen, we'll need to cut a window out for it. Next, we carefully cut around the panel's border. I use a thick border because if my knife runs out a bit, it doesn't really notice much. And then you can trim the corners. The cut edges will show up as being a bit rough, so just colour them in with a Sharpie pen of the same colour. Next is the laminating stage. Open the laminating pouch and position the paper so there's a wide margin around the artwork. One pouch will make quite a few panels, so just cut off what you need and then laminate in the normal way. And we're nearly there. We just need to trim off the laminate to within about 1mm of the paper. That's it. It's now ready to glue onto the project. I think it's done a pretty good job for a first attempt. Let me know in the comments if you liked the video, how you got on and what designs you came up with.